That Weston Hotel is owned by Deputy President William Ruto is not in dispute. From the construction to the operation, he has been very much at the center of it all, and even when someone believed to be the proxy for the DP claimed it, this picture said otherwise. The contention now is on the 2-acre parcel where the hotel is built, with the latest claim by the Civil Aviation Authority that it owns the land. The story begins in 2001. At that time, the DP was not in the picture, but once the plot developed, he has been thrust in the thick of it all. At that time, an individual identified as Ms. Kikabi applied to the Commission of Lands and the Ministry of Transport asking to be allocated the parcel of land, noting that it was an empty plot. In the letter, she noted that the land was 2 acres. Then, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Transport, Ambassador Francis Muthaura, declined to approve the allocation, indicating to the applicant that it was not vacant land. In the letter, Muthaura stated that it had a building which provided the central storage facilities for sensitive air navigation equipment and spare parts belonging to the Directorate of the Civil Aviation Authority. According to Muthaura, the Civil Aviation Authority headquarters was to be built on that land. Muthaura concluded the letter that was addressed to the then PS Lands, Nehemiah Ngeno, and copied to the Directorate of Civil Aviation by recommending that, quote, in order to safeguard the ownership of this government plot, which seems to attract the attention of property developers, I request your office to issue a title deed in favor of the Directorate of the Civil Aviation. But this never happened. On the 30th August 2002, a title was issued, but not in favor of the Directorate of the Civil Aviation, but jointly to Priority Limited and Monene Investment under the seal of then Commissioner Silas Komen Moita. On the 6th of January 2003, then PS Ministry of Transport and Communication Sami Kyungu wrote to the PS Lands Francis Bayer, noting that the said land had been fenced off by a private developer. Kyungu reaffirmed Muthaura's letter saying, quote, the plot was not available and was among the very important inventory of assets which the government was meant to transfer to the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority and should not be allocated to any other party, end of quote. But it was too late. The land had been taken over and a title issued. On the 13th of June 2007, the title was transferred to Weston Hotel Limited. In fact, by the 8th of December 2011, Weston Hotel had acquired a loan at Equity Bank of 100 million shillings, a loan that was repaid in full by the 27th of October 2014. Then, a fresh charge of about £500 million shillings was entered with the Kenya Commercial Bank. Ken Mijungu, NTV.